Hi guys, so we're on to part 6. Everything's been sanded down. Every little kind of imperfection worked out. The nut has been smoothed to the side of the fretboard. This bit was protruding. The body was wider than the neck, so I smoothed that down. That's now flush. All glued, clamped, lovely. And I'm ready to put some true oil on the body. It's all sanded. I've added some more amber to this. I'm still getting a little bit of lift from the grain on this, as you can probably hear. If I go that way, if I go that way. Hopefully the true oil will, when it's dried, will then be sanded and it'll be smooth, and yeah, that's what I'm hoping anyway. Otherwise I'd have to sand it down again, and might lose some of the lovely colour. Okay, so I've got a makeup sponge from the local supermarket. I'm just going to dip that in there, and we're just going to see how this goes. So I think this dries in about 3 hours. I'm not sure. I'm going to leave it all today anyway, and it brings out the grain really well. I'm not sure how many coats to put on, but this is coat number 1. Okay, so there's coat number 1. Okay, I'm going to tidy this up and get on to the next bit. I'll see you in a couple of coats. There he is. Okay, back in a minute. Okay, this is day 2 with true oil. Excuse me. I've left it overnight, and this is after the first coat of true oil. It's brought out the effect in the wood really well. I guess I didn't wipe down properly because there's a gloss area there. Everything else is the true oil's gone into the wood, but that part there has been left on, so that's kind of shiny, and it's how it's going to go eventually. But yeah, so I'll carry on with this and get back to you. Okay, so I got 4 coats of True Oil on now. Excuse me. Finally getting a bit smoothness. Using 1200 grit between coats. Smooth it all over. There is no roughness. It's just all smooth. I've just sanded a little bit more. It's finally getting some shine to it. It's nice. So yeah, it looks like this at the moment. Started masking up the binding. I'm going to flip it over and add some colour next to the back. I'm not sure what to do, whether to go brown all over or bit of cherry or mix the two. Really don't know, but that will be True Oil over the top. I did buy some lacquer, but apparently you can't lacquer over True Oil. May need to do an experiment on that before I move on. So yeah, this is it. This is the end of part 6, I think. Keep watching. See how I'm getting on. Subscribe. Oh, somebody hurt themselves. Yeah. Cheers, guys.